Okay, so here's where we're at now with the track. I just added some stones, got a little anxious, and ran some water down. It all comes down, and a nice waterfall. Goes down to the pond, goes around. I'll have another water supply going down that way, coming through. And it collects right there for right now. I gotta run a sump pump and pump it all the way up there. That's to come. There's the visible bridge. Dun, 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 dun. Visible bridge. With some visibility to it. And there's my daughter bringing in the plants. Is that all of them for now? But yeah, the track's coming along. Getting there. We got the whole arch that suspension.
That was an accident. Sorry, Daddy.
That's okay. We got this bridge, crawls up through here. I can't wait to do some videos with the camera on the car. Yep, that's a couch. Still gotta cover it concrete. You won't know it when I'm done. Got the little rock bouncing area here. Little sand hill climb. Gotta add some more logs. Stuff like that. Gotta have a tunnel. It's about 80% done as far as construction wise. Then we just got to touch up on things here and there. Yep, come down the box spring, which that would be finished, covered in concrete soon. Over the logs. Turn around. Straddle the two beams. And then we kind of got a little stumped right here. But I know it's pretty slick stuff. It's real slick. Yeah. Yeah. Go around the tube. And we're kind of lost right now. But I do have, these are all materials for the track. All material. I got this awesome fence that has roots growing, or trees growing through it. I'm going to put on the track somewhere. Can't get rid of that. That's awesome crawling material. Don't get much better than that.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes, Kylie. And then today, I got my hands on two 25-foot pumps. Cut them in nice little sections. We're going to build a log mountain out of them. Something. Alright, y'all. Have a good night. Like and subscribe. Oh, yeah. There's Bob. He's building something. What are you building, Bob?
A teeter-totter.
A teeter-totter?
The biggest, baddest teeter-totter y'all have ever seen.
Really? 3 wide, huh?
Yep.
Think my clawback's gonna fit on it?
Hopefully.
Well, I'll be making videos of that soon. Well, we'll see exactly how this comes out. I'm curious. I don't quite see it yet, Bob.
You'll see.
I don't know. Extreme close-up! Alright, y'all. For now, what do we do?
Like and subscribe.
Okay. Have a good night.